So in your Why Do I Make Art notebook, I would like you to feature at least 7 different projects that you would like to look at or possibly make this year, or different ideas, influences, things that you find interesting, things that might inspire you to make something. These are some of the ones I made last year. I'm going to put in a final photo of the finished projects that I made last year. So I will also put up on our Google Classroom some different examples of students and what they made last year. So the concept of this notebook is to make a really quick notebook, something that you can use just for sketches and getting your ideas out in a quick manner. This project is going to be less than 2 weeks long, so we're going to quickly assemble the notebook in the first class period or so, and then you can start working on your ideas and the concepts that you want to work on. So you're going to need 20 sheets of paper. In your kit, I have pre-cut for you 20 sheets that are 5.5 by 9 inches. Okay, so go ahead and fold all of those in half. Increase them. So folded all my pages. Now I'm going to start to sew. So in the previous video, I gave you the wrong size. This is actually 4.5 inches by 6 inches. And so we're going to do 6 holes to sew. So what you're going to want to do is put 5 sheets together in one little booklet or signature. Okay, and then you're going to make sure they neatly together. Open that up into the center. Okay, so we got 6 inches, and we're going to mark 1/2 inch on the ends. Okay, 1/2 inch on the ends, and then we're going to mark every inch. So we're going to go 1/2, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5. All right, and we're going to do that with all 4 booklets. And then in your ceramic kit, you're going to get your needle tool out so you can poke your holes.